using irregular verbs too. So we're going to continue with the irregular verbs. And we said there's irregular verbs are verbs that you don't add ed at the end. So here we have more regular verbs, the present tense, the past tense, and the past with has, have, had. In that past with have, had, or had is the past participle of a verb, okay? So, for example, we have as a present fly, as past flew, and then if the sentence has before the verb has, have, or had, we use this part of the verb, in this case, flown. Draw, drew, drawn. Sing, sang, sung. Swim, swam, swum. Begin, began, begun. Do, did, done. Grow, grew, grown. Throw, threw, thrown. Bring, brought, brought. In this case, the past tense and the past participle, you spell it the same. And make, made, made. Exactly the same. You spell in the past participle and in the past tense, made. Here is an activity. Write each sentence. Choose the correct irregular verb from the pair in parentheses. Number 1, I have drawn a picture about littering. In this case, we have at the beginning, before the verb. So if we check our chart, we should use draw, drew in past tense. And if we have has, have, or had, we use drawn. So my answer here is I have drawn a picture about littering. Number 2, my teacher has made my picture into a poster. So again, we're going to check in our chart. Make, has, made, and made as a past tense and the past participle. So my teacher has made my picture into a poster. I done a very good job. Let's check again on the chart. Do, did, the simple past, and done with has, have, or had, which is a past participle. So we use did. I did a very good job. Number 4, we have before the verb. Bring brought the poster to the principal. So we go back to our chart and we look for bring, brought. As we see, they spelled the same in the past and in the past participle. So my answer is I have brought the poster to the principal. And number 5, she has begun to collect our posters. So we go to the chart again and it says begin, began, begun. With the has, have, or had, we use begun. So she has begun with the U to collect our posters.